Reporting from Brighton Beach. We're actually witnessing
You're not in it. Wait, what?
reporting from Brighton Beach.
Okay, we already got that.
Okay, we're actually watching the famous Russian polka. And we're looking for Norman Finkelstein. If he's here, Norman, get up.
Okay, this is being transmitted live onto TV from my camera. You're like Norman if you see that.
If you see this, please come here. Beautiful. As you see the
Look, I'm just recording the guy. Maja.
They're calling your name. To see this in Brooklyn, it gives me hope that it's still.
It gives you hope that what?
That there's still culture. There's still culture. There's still not all American. Hello. We're recording from Brighton Beach. We're at Brighton Beach, and actually we should be evacuating in the next 4 hours. However, we have
Not 4.
But we are at a state of
Move closer together.
state of emergency. Declared by Obama, and this area is actually one of the lowest points in Brooklyn, and we should be evacuating. However, there's a party going on, and we're not leaving. We can't stop partying in Brighton Beach. Come on, Max, let's join in. Welcome, Brooklyn. This is your reporter, Magda Sosha. We're going to go to Lisa Turova, who is in Brighton Beach, welcoming Hurricane Irene, which is supposed to strike us in less than 24 hours. Oh. Lisa, please tell us, what are the conditions in Brighton? Well, Magda, the impending hurricane. We see some people already preparing for the evacuation.
No, I'm trying to.
Wonderful party going on. Are these people not evacuating, or what is the deal? I think this is their way of preparing. Lisa Turova, we're actually here.
Go! No, just I'll edit it.
We're actually hearing there are explosions in Brighton Beach. Lisa, can you tell us if there's something going on? We hear there are bombs going off. What is going on? Well, citizens of Brooklyn, not to worry. It's merely fireworks on Coney Island. Are these fireworks a part of what is going on there? These people should be evacuated. I believe it's a celebration of the welcoming the hurricane into New York. Can you please do an interview with someone to ask them as to how they're preparing to welcome and to survive this hurricane? I actually have.
Okay. I'm camera.
Reporting.
I'm recording.
I wish I could camera you. Mr. Vilas, how have you been preparing for Hurricane Irene?
I went to Costco today and I bought 455 pounds of canned food. We stocked up on water, cup of noodles, and Julie, you bought the
You told me Judy. What are you doing here on the evening of evacuation at Brighton Beach?
Well, we were just dancing to some old Russian folklore tunes, whatever you want to call them. And now we're taking in the sights. And if you see right over there, we've got fireworks.
Okay.
No, just. No, I don't want to be interviewed.
No, interview.
I don't want to be interviewed.
Why?
Because.
Why? Okay.
Hal,
interview.
Interview him! Interview him now!
You're Norman Finkelstein. No, do it. Do it. Take that. Okay. Norman, after 15 years of living in Brighton Beach, is this the first time something like this is happening?
Yes, it's the Israeli Zionists who have caused this hurricane.
Back to you.
I don't.
It's not gonna admit, it's back to me. Back to you, Magda.
I don't know if you recorded me.
Lisa Turova, thank you for giving us the account of what's happening in Brighton Beach, Brooklyn. We are hoping that these people are going to evacuate and take Mayor Bloomberg's precautions. However, it's not likely. Nevertheless, we pray to God that the hurricane does go into the east, and hopefully these people, these spirited people, will come out of this safely. Back to you, BBC 11. Thank you. That was awesome. So great. Back to you, BBC. Okay, this has to be. This has to be under 12, actually. We have to send it into New York. We have to send this into New York 1. They would actually put it on. They would be like, oh, see, like the people's reaction. They would so put it on.
Start.
Good evening, Brooklyn. Good evening, Brooklyn. This is your reporter, Magda Sosha. We're gonna go to Elisa Tarova, who is in Brighton Beach right before Hurricane Irene is gonna strike New York. Elisa, we're gonna wait. Cut it out. Cut it out.
Just talk. I'll edit it later.
Hearing that there had been. We're actually getting the reports that there's a bomb.
What?
Nie, nie nagrywaj tego.
What?
Nie nagrywaj. Elisa, I'm just hearing that there had been several explosions in the area. Oh, wait, let me take that part when I say, Elisa, are you okay?
Wait, let me get this here.
No, carry me right now. No, carry me. Wait. I don't want to laugh. I want to be serious.
Be serious. Okay, well, it's quiet.
Good evening, Brooklyn. This is your reporter, Magda Sosha. We're going to actually go to Elisa Tarova, who is in Brighton, welcoming the storm.